From the WIX dashboard, just click on Edit Site and then wait for your website editor to load. Once your website has finished loading, just find a section where you want to add the button and then click on Add Elements from the left-hand side. And then from here, choose Button. You can choose different kinds of buttons like themed, text and icon buttons, image, document, items button. And then for this one, I'm just going to choose the themed buttons one and then click on any kind of button that you want, or you can just drag it to where you want to add it. And then you can edit the size of this button to make or to fit your aesthetic and then center it. Once you're done resizing, just click on center of this box and then you can change the text from this dialog box right here. Just get started to make it look more professional. And then after that, you can choose to add a link from here. You can choose to add a web address, a page or section, top or bottom of page, document, email, phone number, or lightbox. For example, I'm just going to choose this web address and then put the YouTube URL and then click on done once you're finished adding your link and then click on preview to see how it looks like. Once you're done and you're satisfied with the design, you can just click on publish and then we are going to try how this button works. Just click on this get started and then as you can see, YouTube is now open. And that's it.